The man you are seeing in this video is a bodybuilder who exercises regularly and spends a lot of time in the gym. You might think that he is just cooking, sometimes going to the beach, or just making video like this, but you have not seen the hard work and effort behind it. Because of this effort and hard work, his body is strong and very beautiful. By boosting of his beauty, he has gained a good fan following on social media, especially on Instagram. He is always active on Instagram. His name is Mr. Victor Philip. You can see his IG in the description. Thanks for watching and joining us.